Well, maybe dollar yen really had the best reaction, moving higher, but now alongside other pairs, it's falling back down. All in all, it's a solid report, but more or less it's priced in. The Fed rate hike in December is priced in. It's entering into this report. The Fed was not that data dependent, but we had no catastrophe, so everything continues as usual. Just a quick roundup of the numbers: 211,000 NFP, better than expected. Wages as expected, 2.3 year over year. Positive revisions, but not sort of very surprising, 35,000. And that's more or less the important figures. So euro, I still see it as bid. Only Draghi maybe can hit the euro, moving towards the end of the day. Other currencies, I see dollar erasing its small gains. I don't believe we'll have a collapse in the dollar, but also nothing that exciting. Only currency that stands out for me is the Canadian dollar, because we had a poor report in Canada alongside a better NFP, and OPEC is not making a real decision. So we can see also the price of oil falling, getting closer to 40. So the interesting pair for the day would be the Canadian dollar, dollar CAD, because of OPEC and because of everything we had there. Will we see it break higher? Maybe not. And technically, Aussie dollar had a very nice technical behavior. 72.80s worked perfectly well as support. The top of the range is 73.60. Moving into next week, I think markets will try to rearrange themselves. It's a sandwich week between Draghi and Yellen. And as Valeria said, I also hope that Yellen will rock the market ahead of Christmas, provide us with this kind of early Christmas party. And yeah, I guess that's it.
But there is a possibility of 80%, right now, according to
but yeah, it's 80% for a rate hike to 50 basis points, and because we have a range currently between 0 and 0.25, and next we'll have range between probably, as many think, between 0.25 to 0.50. The effective rate is 37, will be 37 points, and so this 80% for 50 basis points actually means 100% according to bond markets for a rate hike. I learned that from Adam Button at Forex Live, this tidbit, so thank you. And yeah, we'll need a really huge disaster, but with a strong NFPA and Yellen saying that delaying the liftoff will have risks, I think we'll have the historic rate hike in 2 weeks.
Yeah.